On my screen right now, you see my way of saving my storage, also known as the Google Drive. I've used this all throughout my educational career, and it has truly helped me become an organized student and educator. As you can see, I have many different types of folders, but we're going to focus on my EDCI folder today. All you have to do is double-click, and it will take you right to it. You can see the different documents that are involved into this folder, including my PowerPoint and a picture that I have used for my blog. Now, if I want to create a new document inside this folder, all you have to do is go to the New button in the upper left-hand corner, click it. You can see the different types of options you have, but we're just going to stick with just a document right now. You just click the document, and it will come up. Now, as of right now, we don't have anything that we need to write, so we don't need a name or any kind of paragraph. So you can just click back. And it didn't save it because you didn't write a title for it, so it understood that you did not need it. But you can see I have a test 2 and EDCI test of documents that I have made just to make sure that they save in the right folder. Now, if I were to share this file or a document with someone else, all I would have to do is click share in the upper right hand corner, and then type the email address of someone that I would want to share it with. So I click whoever I want to share it with, and I just send it. If you want to share it with them, you click send, but as of right now, I'm not going to do that. But I hope you get the understanding of what is need to be done when you share. Thank you for watching.